Hi, welcome back again to another new video. In the previous video, we covered the global settings of our GHL for GA Pro plugin. Today, we will dive into form-specific settings of our Pro plugin. So let's get started. At first, you need to install and activate the plugin. Once it's done, you have to go to the forms under the form section in the side menu of the dashboard. So now click on the forms, scroll down, and choose any one of the form. Go to the settings of the form, then go to GHL for GF. Here, at first you have to connect your GHL sub account. So here I am choosing one GHL sub account. So from here you can see the account is connected. Now just scroll up, and from here you have to do proper mapping. Then only the data will pass to GHL dashboard. Now choose the GHL fields and form fields accordingly. Click on plus. And just click on Save Settings. Now the GHL fields and form fields are selected accordingly. Now we have to create the contact custom fields. For that you have to go to a GHL dashboard. Then you have to go to the settings. Under the settings you can find out custom fields. In the custom fields, in the top right side, you can find out add field. In the text input, select single line, click on next, give any name as per your choice. Select contact in the object and select contact in the group, click on save. Now the contact custom field is created. Now come back to your forms and just refresh the page. So from here you can see your contact custom fields, and from here you can pass the value and just click on save settings. So the contact custom field is created. Now we have to create the opportunity custom field. For that, you can go back to GHL dashboard, click on add field, select single line in the text input, click on next, give any name, select opportunity in the object, select opportunity details in the group, click on save. You can come back to your forms, just refresh the page, and from here you can find out the opportunity custom field and select the form fields accordingly and just click on save settings. Now we have to create the pipeline. For that you have to go back to GHL dashboard. Then under the opportunities you can find out pipelines. From here you need to create a pipeline and give also the stage. So in my case I have already created the pipelines are GHL Connect and websites, and under the opportunities you can find out the stages. So that's why I'm not creating any pipelines and stages further. So just coming back to the form. So from here you can select the pipeline and pipeline stages accordingly and just click on save settings. So the value of the opportunity will pass to the stages under the pipeline. Now we can assign tags from here. Now, if you want to use custom field value as tags, combine them with your own tag, separate each tag by a comma. So just give a comma and just click on that, and you can pass the value and just click on save settings. So all the fields are created correctly, and in this way you can pass the values. Now we have to test the form. Just scroll up. Now go to the form settings, and in the form settings click on preview. So from here we can submit the form, and just giving random stuffs, and we can find out the values in the GHL dashboard. So just click on submit. So the form is submitted. Now go to GHL dashboard, go to contacts, and here you can see the submit lead, and these are the tags which we have passed, and this is the email. Now go to the opportunities, and under the opportunities, in the stages you can find out the data. So from here you can see the custom fields and the value which we have passed. So here you can see the opportunity custom fields, and this is the form fields, and here you can see the data. And also you can get the contact custom fields. So for that, go to your contacts, click on the contacts, and just scroll down, and yes, so here you can see the contact custom field and the value. So in this way you can use the GHL for GF4 plugin and the form specific settings. So if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.